watchers and all the well-wishers. Happy Sankranti! How are you all? I'm doing good and I'm back with an exciting one. What did you eat now? Have you had nice arisalu and chakralu? I had wonderful, yummy, tasty arisalu. These are best sweet made in southern part of India with rice for the rice powder which is freshly made and jaggery and very good for health, gives good calories, good taste and have that happy feel of the first harvesting paddy festival is this Sankranti. Not only this, hot pongali. Is it not? LKG, UKG, first class children, they say to me, "Ma'am, we had our pongali." My mother makes nice, tasty, yummy pongali. I want to encourage all my students, enjoy the season of good food. 3 important aspects I want to bring it to your notice today. One is eating healthy, eating good food. Second is drink sufficient water, especially these days of COVID-19, variants of various kinds. Always make sure whatever the ghee sweets we eat, tasty, yummy Sankranti sweets and hearts we eat, make sure you don't forget to drink water. Water, sip every time. The third important aspect is self-entertainment. I'll start with the first one, my favorite too. Good food, eating healthy. It's not that because I like laddu, I eat of 5 to 10 at a time. You eat one in the morning, one in the evening. No one stops. Because we like pongali, it's not that you eat bowls and bowls at a time and don't enjoy next 3 days. Instead, have 3 spoons in the morning, 3 spoons in the afternoon, 3 spoons in the evening. Next is something really good we can enjoy. Is it not? That is what is called eating healthy. Not only these sweets which are hot, made at home, just from the ovens, baked ones or cooked ones or fried ones. But I tell you, eat the fresh seasonal fruits. Eating healthy is that also. Not only the homemade snacks, what all I mentioned now, what all you see this behind my screen, still having these fresh fruits is very important. Various berries and bogi, bogi pandlu they make. They put on children. They pray for the good health and wealth of the children. These berries also very good, high vitamin C. Various kinds of berries. Vitamin C fights with infections. Don't forget that. Have this vitamin C. All the varieties of berries, all the varieties of fruits which are available, seasonal fruits. Don't go for frozen fruits which are brought from somewhere in the remote parts of the world. Try to eat the fruits which are available around us, which grow in our area, which comes from our soil. I believe in that strongly. I believe in the products of our soil where we live, where we have our life. So don't run for the things which are remotely grown. Eat healthy, the things which are available in our area, in our season, at our place. They are very healthy. Eat them, enjoy, eat healthy. Not everything at a time, but in a small portions, so that all the vacation, all the holidays, you can eat healthy. And make sure Don't drink water after you eat. Just sip little to wash that, rinse that mouth. But the real intake of water comes before you eat. Morning when you wake up, make sure that you drink every 20 minutes 200 ml of water for 2 to 3 times, so that your whole system is washed and cleaned. You're ready for new intake of food. It's very important to take care of our internal organs, not just our external skin, but our internal organs need a lot of care. Water is the best care. Drink water, all the toxins in your internal organs, toxins in every organ system of our body will be washed out when you drink sufficient water. And always make sure, don't keep your throat dry, especially these days of pandemic. It's not that I drank 1 bottle of water early in the morning at 6 o'clock. Till evening 6, I'm not going to drink water. If you say, I tell you, you're mistaken. You invite unnecessary infections through your throat, through your nostrils. It is not good. Make sure you hydrate sufficiently, giving small breaks and sipping little water every now and then. That is called hydration, proper hydration. And look at the time and drink some water. That definitely hydrate our body, being so healthy and strong. Some have some alarm clicks. You can say water time. Oh, it's time for the water, I must drink. Because we'll forget, because we eat so many nice sweets during the festival. We meet our cousins, we meet our friends, we have fun time. We may forget to drink water. Unnecessarily we become dehydrated. We may fall sick. So this is an important thing. Eating healthy, drinking water, not aerated drinks, not soft drinks, not that roadside colored drinks. They are not at all good. Roadside colored drinks are carcinogenic. Kindly don't entertain such people also. We are in education, right? So I want all my students, all my teachers, all my parents, educate one another before you learn this. And third important, self-entertainment. I see some of the people, they sit and they wait that someone will come and entertain them. In some of the areas when I travel, when we pass through small lanes, when we pass through small villages, I see some women sitting outside. They'll be looking at the road, they sit quietly, they check outside. Sometimes some girls also sit outside, sometimes some men sit outside like that. Of course, there will be some men who sit in the centers as group. Yeah, good company, good friends, that's okay. You interact with one another. But sitting alone, sitting outside, looking at the sky, looking at the road. Do you want someone to come and entertain you? I want everybody to have that self-entertainment. What is that self-entertainment? Taking care of yourself, learning some skill, reading some book, listening to music, tapping your feet, dancing, moving around, having aerobics, trying something new, doing something new, not watching all the time smart gadgets, not watching all the time television. The best example for all of us is self-entertainment is Mr. Bean. We all love him, right? If you try to look at him, not even a simple word, but how much of self-entertainment we learn from Mr. Bean. He doesn't have any friend. He tries to take a socks and make it a puppet. And he makes himself so much entertaining and entertain the whole world with his comedy. Self-entertainment is the best entertainment and soul enriching. There is no gap, there is no time you feel bored or you feel bugged or you feel lonely. and carry any comic books, carry any painting colors, any pencils. I tell you, your time flies like this. Your time flies like this. During this season of festivity, where you have feasting, lot of good food, where you have socializing, where you have bonfires, good food, good water, self-entertainment is the best. As government is also warning and giving precautions to all of us. Avoid traveling. Try to be at home. Maybe you can say hello through your gadgets or just hello with the masks. But make sure, don't forget to eat healthy, good food, seasonal festivities, good drinking water, self-entertainment. With this, definitely we enjoy this season. I want all my students, parents, teachers and St. John's community enjoy the season of Pongal, Sankranti, Bihu, whatever you name, the first Indian festival. Have a blessed day. God bless you all.